Hujan yang turun bagaikan mutiara. Assalamualaikum and good morning. This is story time from Rekaflex. Assalamualaikum. I'm Zaki Zamani. This is story time from Rekaflex at my Rekaflex farm. This Rekaflex farm today is a good time because raining day for Friday. Because this raining is give my plantation for Pidara and aloe vera more energy because I get a vitamin from raining, from water, from raining day. It is a good for farmers like me and other farmers in the world. Thank you.